Alright, today I'll be exploring the office because I am poor. Yeah. I really need a statue so I can recreate something. So yeah. Yeah, this is the amount of money I have, so let's get started. Alright. I hate the office. First because there's an office guy or an Xbox, whatever you call it. And there's also Segway, which I honestly also hate because she's mean to me. She always kills me. And I get sad. And then I lose all my cool stuff I had. Alright, so we're not going that way. That's the radio reactor. That's where the dog is there. Ooh, elevator. Open up already. Thank you. Well, let's hurry up and do this. Ew, the back room. Oh, I hate this. I actually hate it. First, because of the office. Wait, why am I even here? Why did I have the dumbest idea to go here? But watch out. My sister's being yapper right now. Oh my god. Get me out of here. Hopefully this will do the office. Okay. So let's get out of here. Alright. I don't want to be here anymore, but I gotta do it for the vid. My sister's yapping. Yap yap. No, there's a mimic. What do I need? Oh my god. Dude, my heart just almost exploded, bro. Dude, I hate the office so much. I'm only doing this for y'all and y'all only. Get me out. Yes! Found it back. I'm back. Never again, man. I hated that. Home and J. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Become scared for life. Stuff. Why is there a plunger here? No reason for me to know. No. Dog. The dog here. The dog sucks. Aiming. I don't think this is a PvP. It's not a PvP. Haha. Give me that scissors. I want the scissors. Give me these scissors. Thank you. stapler. There's too much of these anyways. Oh, a book. I can actually use this for like some stuff. Some videos, movies. Key card and application. Take it. It's better than nothing. A book and a key card. I'll take it. It's also better than nothing. Another book. I'll take it. It's also better than nothing. Heavy. It's heavy. How do I fuck off? Stuff. Ooh, one of these. Better than nothing. Oh my god, Kevin just spawned. He's scared the living life out of me. Hey, you guys get scared sometimes? Wait. Flash grenade, I don't need it. I don't need it. I do need this. This? Yo? Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go and sell my stuff and see how much this is gonna be worth, except for the key cards. Not the key card. Actually, yes, the key cards too. How much my backpack's worth right now? I wish the only up was back. Or the uppy. Oh, it should be back. Whew, that was a good run. That was a really short one too. Alrighty. Get in there. Thanks. I want to see how much my whole entire backpack costs. Like if I move now. Ooh, oh, $1,000. I bet. I just got $1,000 from that. Alright, guys. But that's all. Before I go, I'm still myself on storage. Nah. Before I go, guys, you got to listen to a banger before everyone goes. Thanks for watching. So long, passenger.